So I don't know what does Pride March mean to you really, like when it comes down to that.
I can't say anything about this without receiving a lot of flack, but I'll still try.
Go for it.
I'm not someone who waits for Pride every year. It really comes from a sense of, if I can justify myself in any way, it comes from a sense of me never having to vie for anyone's approval in any way since the time I've been sucking dick.
Yeah.
Like, that's from 8.
Yeah.
I've never been like, oh my God, I need to be accepted. I need to be, whether it was my parents, whether it was my friends, whoever. I just never did. Which doesn't mean that I don't go out in support for all the things that, or for the marginal, I get it, the bigger picture of Pride and why Pride happens, or like the history of it, like you just said.
Yeah.
But I just feel like I have a very stupid reason to go for Pride. I just hate walking slowly. I'm a fast walker. Either walk fast or don't walk. That's my motto. And this sudden ambling, and then I get it. I've been to great Prides. I've had a great time and all. But like, I don't know how to answer that question.
What about you, Abbas? Last year you joined.
I did. Yeah, that was my very first Pride experience.
Yeah.
For me, I think it's a celebration of, like, here you will find acceptance in any regard. If you feel you're the odd one out in any situation, the Pride is your one chance to flaunt it.
Correct.
To be like, yes, this is. But I saw a lady in a burqa in the Pride, right? I guess someone who's always been questioned about how she dresses. She was, well within her right to march down with her fellow, gays. So.
How
should I frame this? But yeah, I mean, it was a very exhilarating experience. Exhilarating, that's the word, right?
Yeah.
Where you're like here
it's
is
definitely an experience.
Yeah, here are a bunch of people.
Yeah.
And for a few hours that day, they are not afraid of anything. They are not ashamed of anything. They're gonna chant. They're gonna dance. They're gonna sing.
In fact, my favorite thing about Pride is while walking and just watching, because it's in Bombay and the way there are buildings and everyone's looking at. I like that. I get it in that sense. It works, but.
And the thing is,
walk
like,
faster.
again, like, I think we can say these things. For example, I went last year in a skirt, which was for me a whole new thing, because I've always gone like as a butch version of myself. At Pride, like shorts, boots, comfortable for walking, it's enough. But I went in heels and skirt and everything, and I saw a general shift in perception. What happens is, like, what we don't understand is, like, us privileged boys and girls who can dress a certain way, we don't understand the meaning of pride per se, because for us another gay where we collaborate. But for people who are misgendered all the time, like, who have gender neutral identities, who have
who are persecuted,
for them it's like a whole different thing. And for that very reason, I find joy in going to a Pride and watching people who are trans just like being themselves, having a great time. The way they dance, the way they fucking lose their shit, I love it, dude. And the thing is, like, when I first went, my first year was 5 years ago, and I was very much in the closet back then, very afraid, but my friend was like, chal, I'll take you along. And I was like, okay, I'm going to wear a mask, I'm going to wear glass, I'm going to hide my face, I don't want all of that. The first apprehension happens. But then, like, because I watched so many people, even back then, they were like close to 5,000 people. And I'm like, this is amazing, dude. Bombay, no matter how it is. I just wish, though, that it was more like the American Pride Watch, where like entire thing, the whole road is cordoned off, and people come in like floats, and they present the whole thing, like it's an acrobatic thing or whatever. I would, and people come out like it's the 4th of July to watch the queers. I would like that. That's something that I would want to like. Because if you go to Ground Road, there's a bridge, the Skywalk, where everybody just like all the straights run to the Pride Walk on a Pride Walk. On the Skywalk to see what's happening down. And I've done that a bunch of times, and the view is mind-blowing, dude. Like, they have this massive rainbow flag. But that's what I'm saying. The Pride will symbolize different things to different people in different times and ages. But let's not forget that the whole march is a sign of protest. It's a sign that a drag queen, a trans person started the whole thing. And let's not forget our roots.